When I said that A was inversely proportional to B, what did that mean? If A went up, B went down, or if A went down, B went up. All of you are clear? Now, in order to remove this proportionality, what did I do? I said equal to a constant K. When I introduce a constant, the sign became equal to. I explained the logic behind it. I explained the reason. All of you are following? Now, what happens if I send this B over here? Doesn't it become A into B equal to K? Now, let us take an example. Now, what does this mean? A into B equal to K. What was K over here? K was a constant. Now, what does a constant mean? It means something that does not change at all. That is the reason it is called a constant. All right. Now, let me take a very simple example based on this. If I write 3 into 5, it is equal to 15. Or if I write 5 into 3, this is also equal to 15. Is everyone following? Now, isn't 15 a constant? Why is it constant? Because whatever is happening with A and B, 15 is not changing. All of you are agree, or do all of you agree? Now let's look at what is happening to A, what is happening to B. What was A initially? A was 3. A became 5. So what happened? A increased by how much? A increased by 2. You guys agree? A increased by 2 on what? A increased by 2 on 3. That is the reason we got 5. So can I write it like this? A increased. Okay. By what? A increased by 2 by 3. That is 3 was the initial value. All of you agree with me? A increased by 2 by 3. That means 3 was the initial value of A. From 3, A became 5. So how much did A increase by? A increased by 2. Now, the denominator is always going to represent the initial value. Now, what is the numerator going to represent? It is going to represent the change. This can either be an increase or it can be a decrease. This is the numerator. Now, A was A into B equal to K. I took two very simple numbers, 3 into 5 equal to 15, 5 into 3 is also equal to 15. Now, what happened to A? A was 3 initially. Initial value of A was 3. What happened to A? The final value of A became 5. Now, how much did A increase by? Simple math. How much did A increase by? You guys only keep telling me. A increased by 2. Now, what I tell in the numerator, we write the change. That is the increase. So, I wrote 2. Now, it increased by 2 on what to get 5? A increased by 2. But on what number did it increase by 2 to go to 5? It increased by 3, right?
Yes.
And 3 was the initial value. Look at this. Initial value is 3.
Yes, sir.
Initial value is the base. All of you agree? And the base always comes in the denominator. Is that clear? The initial value, whatever is primary, is the base value. The base value, remember that the base value always comes in the denominator, the initial value, right? So A increased by 2. A increased by 2 on what? It increased by 2 on 3, which was the initial or the base value. Is A clear to everyone? Can I move to B? B is also similar. Let's see what B is. Is A clear? If I take B, what was the initial value of B? It was 5, right? In the first one, B was 5. What was the final value of B? It was 3. All of you agree? Now, B decreased, correct? If it has moved from 5 to 3, that means the value has obviously decreased, logical. Now it decreased by how much? It decreased by 2 on what? Didn't it decrease 2? It decreased by 2 on 5, right?
Yes.
Correct. So what is 5? 5 is again the initial value of ours.